Because it contains a polyatomic ion. Are we good? All right. Let me go to the next one. Do you know what are Roman numerals?
Yes.
Do you recognize a Roman numeral here?
Yeah.
What do you do if it has a Roman numeral? What did she say? Circle it, or what did she say?
She said.
Does it have a Roman numeral? Okay, it just says it has a Roman numeral. So I'm just going to put a star because it has a Roman numeral. Alright? Now this one has a Roman numeral. Do you recognize a polyatomic ion?
Yeah.
Do you recognize that that's a carbonate?
Yeah.
Okay? So let's go down. Alright? Let's see. Do you recognize a polyatomic ion here? And another polyatomic ion. Is that right? Okay. We are now going to get into writing formulas. Okay? So now, this is calcium. Do you see that? I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at where is calcium here.
Okay, everybody go back to that.
What is the charge on calcium? +2. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to say the symbol for calcium is +2. I mean, the symbol is Ca and its charge is +2. Right? Let's go back and let's go to chloride. Where is chloride? Do you see chloride here? What is the charge on chloride? -1. Okay? So chloride is a -1. Now the charges have to balance and become 0. Alright? All charges have to become 0. If it's a +2, what will make it 0? That should be a -2. Should we have 2 minus 1 for it to become -2? Does that make sense? Can I multiply this by 2 and it will become a 0? I mean, -2 plus 2 will become a 0. So how many chlorine atoms do I really need?
2.
2. Does that make sense? So what is my formula for calcium chloride? CaCl2 is my formula for calcium chloride. Do you understand that? Because my charge needs to balance out and become 0.
Yes.
Yeah, that's when it will come. Alright? Potassium,
What's the charge?
let's go back and check where is potassium.
Everybody see
It's
where
right
it is?
here. What is the charge on potassium? +1.
1.
Alright? So I'm going to say potassium is a +1. What is nitrate?
Bryce, help us out. What
Is it a polyatomic ion? So what is the formula for nitrate? Yes?
NO3
NO3 -1.
Very nice.
Right?
Julian, I'd like to hear
Do you all
others.
see where I'm getting this from? Do you recognize that this is nitrate?
Yeah.
You recognize it's a polyatomic ion? Is it the one that is memorized?
That's the one you
Everybody gets
memorize.
it? So +1 -1. Do we need to increase any number here?
No.
They cancel, right? So what is my formula for potassium nitrate? KNO3.
Everybody, right? Makes sense? KNO3.
Do we recognize this? All right. So manganese has a Roman numeral. Yes or no?
Yes.
Where is manganese on the periodic table? Where is manganese? Manganese is in the D block. Do you see that? Manganese is in the
Manganese.
D
MS.
block.
Not magnesium. Don't be confused.
All right.
Right?
Now, manganese is the D block. Is the charge given for manganese?
No.
But where do I see the charge? Where is it given?
2. Is it in a Roman numeral?
Very good. Do you see that this is the charge on manganese?
Yeah.
Do you understand that? Manganese has the symbol Mn. If it's in the D block, it will be given as a Roman numeral. What is the charge?
+2.
Plus 2.
+2, right?
What is oxide, guys?
O.
Oxygen, right?
Charge, guys. Check it.
Oxygen has what charge?
-2.
-2. So oxygen is -2. So what will happen if it's +2 and -2?
Please write this down,
It
everybody.
cancels, so what is my formula? MnO. Did you locate iron? Where is iron? Fe.
What block is that?
Fe. Which block is it?
E?
Do you think you'll find the charge or will it be given as a Roman numeral? What is the charge?
3.
It is +3.
Ooh.
Chlorine.
What is carbonate? Will you find it on the periodic table or is it a polyatomic ion? So what is the formula for carbonate?
CO3 minus 2.
What is the formula for carbonate? CO3 minus 2. Here comes trouble. One is +3, the other one is -2. How can I cancel them?
It's minus
What can I multiply this by? What can I multiply this by so that they cancel? Yeah?
Okay, multiply 3 by 2,
All right.
and then multiply -2 by -3.
Right.
By
Oh,
3.
wait, yeah.
By 3.
Okay.
All right? By 3. So how many iron do I need?
2.
How many carbonates do I need?
3.
Now pay attention very carefully. All right?
What?
I write Fe, I need 2. Is that right? How many carbonates do I need? 3. But CO3 already has a 3. Yes or no? How many carbonates do I need? 3. How will I show that?
Watch closely.
Do you see that? Do you see that?
It gives us
The carbonate itself is a CO3.
oxygen.
Do I need 3 of those?
Please pay attention, guys.
All right?
Pay close.
So I needed 2 of iron. Is that right? I need 3 of carbonate. The carbonate already has a 3. Yes or no? Is the 3 coming from a number that I need? Does that make sense? Do we understand it? All right? Let's do the next one. Ammonium. Will I find ammonium on the periodic table?
No.
It is a polyatomic ion. What is the formula? NH4 plus 1. Correct? Will I find sulfate on the periodic table? It is a polyatomic ion.
Ion, polyatomic ion.
Well, do they cancel each other?
No.
So what do I need to multiply by? Yes.
So I was just wondering how you got the full.
How we got the?
Look at your polyatomic
Look at
ion.
polyatomic sulfate formula. Not here. It's a polyatomic ion. Where is your list? Okay? So now this is a +1 and a -2. I need to make this what? To cancel the -2, I need to make this a +2. Yes or no? So do I multiply this by 2? Right? So how many ammoniums do I have? 2. So can I write NH4? What will I do?
Parentheses.
And what should go outside it? 2.
Then SO4.
And then SO4. Is that right?
Wakey, wakey.
Who's the sleepy?
There we go.
Okay.
There we go.
This is the 2 that I got. Do we understand this?
No, this is so confusing. All right, we're gonna practice. We'll practice.
Okay.
We'll have time.
So I'm going to stop now. And I have